Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, March 6, 2021. I hope your Saturday is off to a wonderful start. First of all, I want to thank the wonderful Sarah who stream sniped me for the third time over 3 years down in Petaluma. She gave me a wonderful box of Godiva chocolates and some cash, and I'm very, 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 very appreciative of that. She's been a great supporter of the channel for years, and she's a wonderful gal, hardworking gal with her own business. And sometimes it just blows me away, the kindness of people here on YouTube. The stories of negative and misdeeds and who did what, where did this money go and that money. It tends to dominate the world of YouTube sometimes, as it has lately, stories like that. But it's very refreshing to meet somebody that's just genuinely nice and enjoys the content that you bring. Big question last night, was I being followed? And after I got my burgers at the In-N-Out Burger last night, I had a sense that it looked like a gold, like Buick crossover vehicle. I don't know. I really don't know the makes and models of the Buick crossover vehicles. I think that maybe there's one called a LaCrosse. I don't know. But I got the sense that I've seen that vehicle before, and I was going back in my mind to the stream last night down in Petaluma. And I remember distinctly seeing a gold Buick crossover vehicle down there that was, I think one time when I was at the 7-Eleven, I came out and it was parked outside on the side of the 7-Eleven. And then when I was further up by the Metro Hotel in Petaluma, I also had the distinct vision out of the corner of my eye that there looks like that same vehicle. Well, lo and behold, I get up to the get my stuff at In-N-Out Burger, and I hit the parking lot at the Cottingtown Mall to enjoy my meal. It had been about a 4-hour stream at that point, and I was hungry. It was about 8:30, and I look over. And it's just starting to rain, okay? So all of a sudden my vision gets very obscured. But I swear, and I mentioned this on the stream last night, that I have the sense that somebody is watching me here and following me. And I kind of had to come to grips with the idea that somebody would follow me around at various points in Petaluma while I'm doing my chooching, and then follow me 15 miles up the road to Santa Rosa as I got dinner. It was a really weird experience. Now, nothing negative happened. And I can't discount, I guess I finally came down to the idea that some people are curious. Some people are curious about life. I could be totally off the mark, and it could be a totally coincidental type of thing. But you'll see it's a rare thing on my live stream when I think that I'm seeing somebody that's potentially watching me and following me on the stream. So I came to the conclusion maybe it's just somebody locally that's curious about what I do and determined to follow me through the night to see where I went and what I did. Well, when the rain really started to come last night, it was torrential, okay? And I lost sight of the vehicle. I think it rolled off or whatever, and it was pretty much done for the night. But I'll tell you what, it's kind of a weird experience, but I do err on the side of just somebody being curious, but it's creepy nonetheless, let me tell you. Happy Saturday, everybody.